Hi, my name is Guy from xkai.com. Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to show you what um, what I am into and what you should be doing now when if you've never ever work online. This is a company that gives you 100 free clicks to your business. It's basically $80 worth of clicks to your business. No other company out there will give you anything to get you started. This is the one that I want to show you. And not only that, they have recently changed their back office, which is awesome. I should show you this one first. It say, wow, look at that, 35,000 members already. That is, and it's still going up. This is a community that will help you in any way in your business. This is back office, which is the dashboard, which you can see on the left hand side all the items that you need to know. Training units, meet your team, TD products, commissions, buy traffic. I have to say, the traffic here, Wayne's traffic here is second to none. Everybody that bought his traffic has had tremendous result. Not only that, he's really has targeted audience here. And his solo ads are not expensive. Right, as I was talking about, this is a place where you should get the solo ads. The solo ad, look at all these testimonial. This is all the 100 click got 107 click, opt-in rate 56%. All his opt-ins are over 50%. There's not many places out there that can get 50%, 51.9%, 51%. And all these customers are all repeat customers as well. I'm still scrolling. I just want to show you this one. Look, this is what I'm saying. We are literally giving you 100 clicks worth of $80 or worth. You get that free even before you even start the business. You can start earning money with this as soon as you join. But this is what I'm saying though. It really is. There's no other company out there that would give you $80 worth of click to start your business. And this is my opinion anyway. It's really like, you can see the testimonial. Everyone is happy here. Not only that, I want to go back to this one and show you that this dashboard is amazing. You can start earning commission straight away. That's how good it is. You can meet your team. You got like commissions here. This is what I want to show you. Leaderboard. Every month they have a leaderboard. Right, every month they have a leaderboard. This is a leaderboard for this company. It goes from 1 to 100. It tells you exactly what your position is. Anyone can start earning money on this one. That's how awesome this company is. We're here to help you in any way. You can really just go through all this on the left hand side to see how well you're getting on. If you need help, your team leader will look at your unit, see how far you got to, and they will help you. Or you can just send them a link or send them a message. They will respond to you straight away. That's how good it is. With this traffic domination, you'll never be short of traffic. You have organic traffic, you have paid traffic, you have PPC, you have solo ad, you name the traffic, you will have it here. And the teaching, every week there's a webinar that you can learn from Wayne or the people that he introduced you to this amazing place, traffic domination. you need an encouragement or something like this, I highly recommend is to have a look at this one. You join this for free. You don't have to pay a penny. You can start with this, look at it for free. How can you have an awesome back office like this, yeah? And then you've got a great community with 35,000 people to start for free. That is already something that you should look into, because you ain't going to get it anywhere else out there. No one else is going to give you anything to start your business. Nothing at all. And all I want to end up is saying, yeah, we must all read more. At the moment, I am reading Tony Robbins' The Unshakable. I highly recommend that. We all need to build our knowledge and read more.